Hello everybody, this is Utkarsh and I'm going to teach you how to make this simple HTML page. So the following HTML page consists of a banner which has a navigation bar, two division tags which contains the CSS and HTML skills, my skills, then my profile and my web developer form tag. So then the second part of which contains my family member details, my mom, dad and my brother's details. And the third part is my favorite part, which contains all my favorite food delicacies. So I'll be using brackets to make this particular HTML page. Okay. First of all, what we make is the navigation bar. So for making the navigation bar, we have used a division tag in which we simply make an ordered list and we specify the list elements with a particular styling. So for the first element is the division elements will be the navigation elements, home, my profile, menu item 1, 2 and the contact as shown over here in this particular division tag. The second part of which contains is a section the second part contains is a picture showing the percentage of HTML and CSS script. So we simply use an image tag and specify the particular source. After that is a paragraph tag which contains a simple text profile of Mr. Utkarsh. So we simply give it, and then there is a particular line which shows the third part of which contains a text called web developer, which has been given the particular CSS class named web. The next part of the video, the website contains family member details. So simply what we have done is, for doing the family member details, we have specified a section tag. So we have specified a section with a particular CSS class, styling class known as section 1. So first thing which we get in the section in this section is a heading tag which shows my family members. Now the third part which I chose is a division tag, and this particular division tag contains three photos, three parts. Three parts, each of them have a image. So three images are there, and three images are there on which hover has been used, because when we go over the image the color of the image changes, and after the image there is certain dummy data. So we use the image of given specified the source, and then using the division tag and the heading tag, and using another division tag we have specified the dummy data or information about my tag. The second part is this repetition of the same, which contains heading mom and the photo and some dummy data. And similarly, a similar thing has been done for the tag for the information about my brother. Now the next part which comes over here, when we see, we have next part is a banner, a heading which contains my favorite and my food and the delicacies which I like, and upon going upon them the hover has been used, so it changes the color, as you can see. So for doing this, again same thing we have done. We have used a section tag, and in the heading tag h1 we have used and given my favorite. Next part of which contains is that for making this particular my favorite food detailings like chocolate, ice cream, pizza, burgers, we have made a table. So we have made a table and specified its CSS styling in a particular class known as table. Okay, then first table row contains the detail with the table data my favorite food. The second of which contains second row contains the chocolate, ice cream, and hover has also been used in this particular image. Then is the pizza. Similar thing for the next row. Table data has been specified as pizza, and the next table data is image of a pizza, as you can see. Now similar thing has been done for blueberry muffins. We have specified a photo of blueberry muffins and given the data. Similar thing has been done for burgers and french fries. So using this particular simple table data, we have made this beautiful HTML page which can be used for various purposes. Thank you and have a nice day.